Welcome to my YouTube channel Safety Guidelines. I am Fahim Azam. The topic for this video is very interesting and informative. It is very special as it is related to vehicles breakdown safety. Let's move on. Please do watch it thoroughly and till the end to get benefits of this video. What is a car breaks down? Whatever the reason, a flat tire, dying battery, or overheated engine, it's no fun to be sidelined by a breakdown on the road. These roadside safety tips will help keep you safe until you are able to get back on the road. Put on your hazard lights. As soon as you realize you are having car trouble, immediately put on your hazard lights. This will alert drivers behind you so they won't be surprised when you slow down or pull over to the side of the road. Pull over if possible. If your car is still functioning well enough to get you to the side of the road, or even better, to a nearby parking lot, pull over to get out of traffic and reduce the risk of a collision. Make yourself visible. Keep your hazard lights on, and if you have reflective emergency triangles, set them around your car. However, do not exit the car if it is not safe to do so. For instance, if you are still on the road, if you are on the side of the road, exit the car from the side furthest away from traffic. Stay in your car. Once you have placed any available markers around your car, get back inside and call a roadside assistance service. Let them know you are stranded and ask them how long it will take to get to you. Do not run your engine continuously. If it's cold outside, intermittently run the engine for 10 to 15 minutes at a time to keep warm. If you are stranded in wintry weather, your exhaust pipe can get clogged with snow and or ice. If it does, running your engine continuously could result in carbon monoxide poisoning. Intermittently running your engine also saves fuel. Do not DIY, I mean, don't involve yourself. Unless you have plenty of experience with auto repairs and have adequate room away from traffic, it is best to wait for the pros to come help you. Many roadside injuries occur during repair attempts gone wrong. Be prepared. A little preparation could save you a lot of trouble in a roadside emergency. Keep your car stocked with the following items: phone charger and power bank, first aid kit, reflective emergency triangles or road flares, flashlights in case of a breakdown at night, blanket, non perishable snacks, water, auto emergency kit including jumper cables, lug wrench, and jack for experienced users. Thank you for watching my video. Do remember to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to receive notification regarding latest safety topics. Like, comment and share my videos to encourage me and my team. Have a good time. See you in the next clip. Till then, bye.